Thanks for joining us today here at Prominence. I'm Shane Tracy, your San Antonio new build specialist, and today we're highlighting Chesmar Homes HD series. As you can see right behind me, there are actually two model homes for this series, the Talos and the Pegasus. I took a peek inside, guys, and these homes are just as sharp on the inside as you're seeing on the outside. Now, they're going to be built on anywhere from 33-foot to 40-foot lots. They're offering 1- and 2-story homes in this series. You're also going to have 3 to 4 bedrooms, 2.5 to 3 bathrooms, and a 2-car garage. And the square footage ranges from approximately 1,600 square feet all the way up to about 2,300 square feet. Now, as far as the community is concerned, it is a master plan community with amenities currently under construction, but don't worry, you'll be pleasantly surprised. They've got their Echo Gecko Park, which is actually a nature-inspired playscape for all ages. There's an infinity pool, edge pool, pickleball and basketball courts, and more. You'll find Prominence on the far west side of San Antonio off of Highway 211 between Potranco Road and Highway 90. So you'll definitely have some different options on getting around San Antonio, getting to work, and all of that from this location. And don't worry, this place is very close to a brand new HEB, restaurant, shopping, and other conveniences that we're always looking for. As far as the school district, that is in the Medina Valley ISD, and the property tax rate is 2.53%. Well, before any more time goes by, let's go check out the inside of these beautiful homes. You ready? Welcome to the Talos Floor Plan by Chesmar Homes in the Prominence community. This sharp 2-story home offers 2,302 square feet with 4 spacious bedrooms and 3 full baths. The open concept layout connects the modern kitchen, dining, and living area, perfect for entertaining. The main level features a primary suite with oversized shower and a walk-in closet, plus 2 additional bedrooms. Upstairs, you'll find a large game room, private bedroom, and bath, ideal for guests or growing families. Enjoy the home. Hey, thanks for joining us for another awesome video. Before I forget, go ahead, you're going to find it right about here. You'll have my contact information. Go ahead and call, text with any questions you may have about this builder or any other builder that we are going to show you. Believe me, we are the specialists here at Good to Go Realty to make sure that you are guided through each and every step to home ownership, making sure that we're finding the right home for you. And we understand you have unique needs and situations. And believe me, we are listening and wanting to make sure that we get you through each of those unique steps to home ownership, whether it is your federal student loan debt, you need to get that lowered. You want to use your VA home loan benefits. You have a down payment assistance need that we can find a solution for, whatever it may be. Just know Good to Go Realty is your new home solution. I cannot stress it enough. So go ahead and give me a call, text, and we will walk you through each and every scenario, making sure that we're getting you in the right home that fits your lifestyle, that fits your budget, and that fits the right side of town just for you. Have a great day.